Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use a display block in MindStudio. Now before we get started with the video, there is a link in the description to get started with MindStudio. It is an affiliate link, so if you do click on it, you'll be supporting the channel because we'll be getting a small kickback. So without further ado, let's climb straight into it. So what you'll need to do is from this dashboard, you're going to go over to the top left hand side and hit the plus icon, and here you'll see all of your AIs that you have built. So what we'll do now is go over to this one here, and I'm just going to hit the three dots and go into edit. This will take me now to the space where I'll be able to fully customize and edit this AI. Now as you can see, this is what your workflow will look like. So if you're going over to the left hand side and you go to Explorer and all the way down to main flow, you'll see this is where we are at. So we're looking at the display block over here, and what you'll need to do, so for example, in this case, I've got a generative text going on here. So I've got my user input, and this is going to be a query. You can obviously go into user input on the left hand side here, hit the plus icon, and this is where you define what the user input will be. So in my case, I've got long text, and you can give it a different label, but what I'm going to do is just use the current one that I have in here, and from here you will have the generate text. Now once you have created this, you'll see that you will have to add a prompt into the generate text so that you can get a result. We'll now move over to the display content, and this is how you use it. Instead of just using the prompt as you see it like this, you'll have to use this markdown syntax to make sure that the results will be viewed and not just a link to the results will appear. So what you'll need, first of all, is you are going to use an exclamation, you are going to use these square brackets, and then open parentheses, and then you're going to have your curly brackets, two of those, and then your prompt, closed curly brackets, and then close parentheses, and hit enter to jump to the next line. Now the thing that is inside here will be whatever is here. So if this is an image, if this is audio, or whatever else it is, you will have to add that in over here. If you go from this display content up to the top, you'll see a little question mark icon, and here, this is how you'll be able to display an image. This is how you'll be able to display an audio player, and there's some additional conditional formatting. Once you are done, of course, top right, you're going to go and hit publish, and you can then start using your AI.